Today I'm showing you how to factory reset your stylo, LG Stylo 1. Locate the power and volume down. You need to press them at the same time until the phone comes on. When the phone comes on, continue pressing them. It will enter recovery mode. Release both buttons. When you see the screen, scroll down to the wipe data factory reset. Scroll down for yes. Now your phone is reset. Now you need to reboot system. Press the power button. Again, power button, volume down. When the phone comes on, it is factory reset. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.